Hello dear students, I am Vanishri Hegde from YTSS PU College, Yellapura. How are you? Hope you all are well. I came here to promote you to read biology. This channel is all about the second year PUC Biology. It is very essential to start your second year studies even we can't conduct your regular classes due to COVID-19. So dear students, subscribe this channel and keep watching all the videos that I upload here so that you can start your biology learning process for your second PUC. In this video, I show you some slides and give you brief information about your syllabus. And from tomorrow, we can start the actual syllabus or the chapters. In brief, about your syllabus, we are dealing with today. See, comparatively, when you compare with your first PU biology, many students feel bad about biology because the syllabus is vast and we can't remember the terms and all. But it is not like that in your second PUC. The syllabus is much easier and shorter in your second PUC. You have only 5 units and 16 chapters. It was 22 in first PU. And very interesting chapters we are going to study this year. That is the continuation of first PUC. The things we are not studied in first PUC, that we are going to study in our second PUC. I told you there are 5 units, out of which the first unit is reproduction. So this is the continuation of human physiology, dear students. The last unit in first PUC, it was human physiology. And we studied about breathing, circulation, digestion, nervous system, all those things. And this year, we are continuing with the physiological process, that is reproduction. In this first unit, there are 4 chapters. The first chapter is reproduction in organism. That is in general, what is reproduction, why it is essential, what are its types, what are the differences between these types, how the process of reproduction takes place in different organisms in general. In the second chapter, we are going to study about the flowering plants, especially the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. That means mainly we are dealing with the structure of flower and how it is helpful in the process of reproduction. The third chapter is all about ourselves, that is how the human are going to reproduce. Fourth chapter is very essential because as a citizen of this society, it is our duty to understand the process of reproduction and how to maintain the healthy society. What are the problems associated with the reproductive health and how it is affecting our society, that's all. So very informative chapter. That is all about the first unit. Second unit is genetics and evolution. In this, you need to study 3 chapters. Genetics is, you might be knowing, genetics is study of genes or the units of heredity, then how this process of inheritance or heredity occurs, how variations occur in this nature, how we are different from one another, how there are many similarities between the children of the same parents. What is responsible for all these things, that we are going to study in the first chapter. In the next chapter, the 6th chapter, molecular basis of inheritance, in this we are going to study about the same genes but at its molecular level. That means what these genes are made of. We know that genes are responsible for all characteristic features, but the genes are made of what? We can say it is made of DNA. Then what is the DNA is made of? Nucleotides, nucleosides. Like that we are going to deal with the molecules in this chapter. Last chapter in this unit is evolution, all about the how this earth is full of organisms, variety of organisms, how they evolved, how the earth evolved, how life originated in this earth, how human evolved. That is evolution. Only 3 chapters in this unit. The third unit in your second PU biology is biology in human welfare. How the biology is important for our life. That is, it is very essential to know about our health and the common diseases, how to prevent them, how to cure them. For every individual, it is very important to learn about these things. And 9th chapter is strategies for enhancement in food production. How we can increase the food production, or how with the help of biology the food production can be enhanced, and how to provide food for increasing population. And in the last chapter of this unit, we are going to deal with the uses of microbes in human welfare. That is, how the microbes, variety of microbes, are helpful for human. We are going to deal with useful microbes in this chapter. The 4th unit is about biotechnology. Only 2 chapters in this. A competitive topic with IT. It is popularly known as BT. And in this unit, we are going to deal with only 2 chapters. That is, what is the principle of biotechnology? What is this biotechnology? Which are the principles used in how the recombinant DNA technology can be conducted. And in the 2nd chapter, we are going to deal with what are the applications of this biotechnology, where we can make use of this, because today number of proteins are produced with the help of biotechnological process. Number of medicines, food are prepared with the help of biotechnology. So a very important topic. Last unit, 5th unit, is all about ecology. General topic, very easy topic and very important from the point of examination. There are only 4 chapters in which we are going to study about organism and population at the level of organisms in this environment, and at the level of populations we are going to study. The 14th chapter is ecosystem. What is ecosystem? How it is important? What are the types of this ecosystem, what is the importance of this ecosystem, like that. And the 15th one is biodiversity and conservation. What is biodiversity? What is its importance? What is happening to this diversity due to increased human activity? Why we have to conserve biodiversity? How we can conserve our diversity? And these are the things we are dealing with in this chapter. Last chapter is environmental issues. That is all about what is happening to this environment today due to increased anthropogenic activities. See, these issues are like increased air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, radioactive waste, e-waste, and about the greenhouse effect, ozone depletion. Thank you.